the latest updates from that end. Now, a special committee formed by Tanzania President Samia Suluhu Hassan on April 6th to evaluate the East African nation's COVID-19 situation today handed in its report. The committee, led by Professor Said Aboud, addressed the media on the recommendations made to the government, among them the release of COVID-19 information and a civic education by health workers to the public. KTN's Fred Kagonye tells us more.
New regime, new way of doing things. On April 6th, Tanzania President Samia Suluhu Hassan set up a committee to evaluate the state of coronavirus in the country and come up with recommendations that would guide Tanzania in its fight against the pandemic. That task force has made its report public.
Serikali itoe taarifa juu ya uwepo wa ugonjwa wa COVID-19 na ichukue hatua madhubuti kuimarisha hatua zote za afua za kinga, yaani interventions, katika ngazi zote ili kuepusha wimbi la tatu la ugonjwa huo.
The task force wants Tanzanians to be allowed to get vaccinated with the vaccine of their choice. They also urged the country to join the COVAX facility for easy access to vaccines and have a plan in place to set up factories to manufacture vaccines locally. Among those to be vaccinated first are health workers, people above the age of 50, people with underlying conditions, and workers in the security agencies. The government was also urged to give regular COVID updates.
Serikali itoe takwimu sahihi za ugonjwa wa COVID-19 kwa umma na shirika la afya duniani ili wananchi wapate taarifa sahihi toka mamlaka za serikali na kuheshimu makubaliano na kanuni ambazo nchi iliridhia.
President Suluhu was urged to make a consideration for the economy before making a decision on whether or not to lock down the country, and also to pay outstanding dues to health workers. This development is a change in strategy in Tanzania concerning the COVID pandemic. Until his death, the late Tanzania President John Pombe Magufuli declared that the country was COVID-19 free. He went ahead and proposed for traditional measures to get rid of the virus. Magufuli also disregarded COVID vaccines that had been developed.
Chanjo hazifai. Kama wazungu wangekuwa na uwezo wa kuleta chanjo, hata chanjo ya ukimwi ingekuwa imeshaletwa.
Now, religious leaders, the private sector and the media have been urged to help spread awareness about the coronavirus. Fred Kagonye,